Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have the Lord of the Rings Return to Moria game, and I'm going to show you how can you easily modify your general bindings. Let's get started. First you have to go into the Settings tab. Now in the Key Mapping tab, we have to scroll down until we see General. And now we can modify our key bindings, for example, throw item, open last game menu, crafting, map, place waypoint on map, open chat, goals, lore, tips, game menu next, game menu previews, inventory quick move modifier, and inventory grab one modifier. To modify, you just have to click on it and press any key. To stop changing key binding, you just have to click escape. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.